Multiply any 4 digits numbers by 11. 3253 should be multiplied by 11. First we will solve this sum in traditional method. 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. This is step number 1. Again 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. This is step number 2. We have to add step number 1 and 2 to get the step number 3. 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 2, 5 and leftover number is 3 carried down. 3, 5, 7, 8, 3 is the answer. This is step number 3. We solve the sum in 3 steps. Whereas in Vedic maths, 3253, the same number is multiplied by 11 in a single step. The answer will be in a single step. In traditional method, we got 3 steps. It is consuming a lot of time. We are going to solve this one in a single step. I will teach you how to solve it within a few seconds. If you watch complete video, you will be able to solve any 4 digits numbers multiplied by 11 within a few seconds. Now, copy the last number. What is the last number here? 3 is the right last number, should be copied as it is. 3 and add 5 next to 3. That is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then next number is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And next number to 2 is 3. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. Now last left number is only 3. Copy the same number. This is your answer. 35783 is the answer when you multiply 3253 into 11. Trick number 3, Vedic maths. We are going to solve one more sum, that is 4656 is multiplied by 11. Copy the last number as it is 6. 5 is next to 6. Add these two numbers, then 11. 1, you write it here, and 1 should be carried upon 5 because 11 is a double digit number. If you add 5 plus 6, you got 11. In the similar way, 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 12. You have to write 2 here and 1 should be carried on 6. Now 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 and carry 1 upon 4. Last number is 4 and upon the 1 is there. So you have to add these two numbers. That is 51216 is your answer. Now we are going to solve one more sum. The bigger one, that is 9574 multiplied by 11. Copy the last right number, that is a 4 as it is. 7 is the next number to 4. So you have to add these two numbers, that is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Write 1 and 1 should be upon 7, the carried number. Now next number is 5. 5 is next number to 7. Add these three numbers, 5 plus 7 plus 1, that is 13. Write 3 and 1 is carried upon 5. The last left number is 9. 9 plus 5 plus 1 is 15. Write 5 and 1 carried upon 9. Now, the last leftmost number is 9. Upon that, 1 is carried number. You have to add both numbers. Then you will get 10. The answer is 105314 when multiplied 9574 into 11.